These are my nails. I was so sick. Time to start packing. Literally look at that color. I just this is what I'm no. Cute little. Let's go, y'all. Oh no, this way. Like here. Look how pretty my mommy's nails are.
These are my nails.
And these are her actual nails. We are currently heading to Chinook because I have some stuff that I need to pick up. Okay.
And the stars fell one by one, and finally I'm done. And it's a car trapped in my mind that I don't know.
A couple of items.
I think of your hands on my body and they feel nice.
Also, it's kind of
Just one more.
So I'm wearing the microfiber, the black, so soft, perfect. And then I also saw this blazer. This is from the Home Edition collection, and they don't sell them in stores, so you only see them if people return an item. This is so cute, but it's too big. And I thought the large would be like nice, but it just looks too big on me. These are my nails. This is my house. This is gorgeous.
So tender I'm in bed, surrender to you. So tender I'm in bed.
Hello everybody, I thought I'd give a little vlog intro. Welcome to a day in my life, I guess we could call it. It is November 19th and I am traveling really soon. So I've been like getting everything in order. I did my nails earlier this morning. I picked up some clothes from H&M and we're gonna head home in a little bit. I need to pack and I also need to put together my presentation because it doesn't exist. But let me just like run it back really quickly. So the last few weeks I have not been posting. Stress and just being overwhelmed with so many different things is honestly the only reason I just haven't been active. And then this past week I was so sick. Oh my goodness. You can kind of still hear it in my voice because I feel like I haven't been able to fully recover because I was able to take 2 days off, but then I had to like get back to work because stuff was just piling up for me. And those 2 days, when I tell you I slept, I would not wake up, I would drink tea, take my cough medication, I would go back to sleep. That's what I did, 2 days. And then I also like watched television. Like I just tried to rest because I feel like part of the reason I get sick so quickly and so easily is because I'm stressed. And when you're stressed, your immunity, like your immune system is down. And I right now feel so unbelievably stressed. I feel overwhelmed. I'm trying to take it in strides, but honestly, like I'm so overwhelmed, y'all. I can't even pretend like I have everything under control. Like I do not. I literally have a conference this weekend and I don't have a presentation. Like I know what I'm going to talk about, but it does not exist. There's no visual of it. And so I need to work on that today. I also need to do some other work for like my research job. And I was like trying to get through some of that last night, but I just had the worst headache. I got home late from my other job. I feel like I'm working, you know the edit from How to Get Away with Murder? And she's like, I'm working like a dog day and night.
And I work like a dog day and night.
Like that is literally me right now. Like y'all, there's That's how I'm feeling. And like ASA is supposed to be a thing of excitement, and like up until this week I've been very excited about it, but now I'm just like, I feel unprepared. I literally have a presentation. I feel unprepared. Yeah, I need to get that sorted out, and then there's just like other stuff. That's been life recently. On a more exciting and a bit happier note, I did get to see my friends on Sunday night. We went out for dinner at Kinjo, and that was really fun.
Each their own. Raw fish. Enough with the side eye.
You just prefer to eat ginger?
Well, no,
Okay, good.
but it hurts you say that you ate ginger.
I hope I didn't get recorded doing side-eye. Hi guys.
Lois. Oh, was it scary?
Really? What?
It's Angel.
Well, what's she getting?
Not the gyoza, though.
But Kobe Kashi.
No. Hopefully they don't copyright you.
Anytime I see the girls is a good time. Food, laughter, and honestly, I feel like I've reached an age where I actually do just enjoy going to dinner. Like, dinner is just a great place to sit and talk. I do enjoy activities as well, but like, I love a meal. I'll never say no to a meal. I used to be like, oh, it's so boring. No. Some days you just need to take it easy. Take it easy and be resting small. It's not easy. Like, I understand why everyone is like, body no be firewood. Like, I get it. We are not made to endure such labor. So anyways, it's good to be back. And yeah, I'll be bringing you guys along for the rest of my day. And then tomorrow I'm going to start another vlog because it'll be a conference vlog. So for those of you guys who, you know, initially followed me for all of my like academic student content, do not fear. That aspect of this channel is definitely not dead. We're on a bit of a hiatus, you could call it, but also not really, because trust, you will catch me back in school in no time. I'm a student at heart. I love learning, I love education, and I'm not done accumulating degrees. Anyways, ta-ta for now. I'm seeing a really cute little brand here. Quo Beauty? Something like that, I don't really know. I'm gonna try this. We are getting our meal in today because the way I have not been eating, not good.
And see why you ended up popping. Are you ready? Are you ready? Okay.
Okay, hello, I am back. It's 5:43 right now, and I'm like, okay, time to start packing. So I'm just gonna show you like the categories of stuff that I have. I did kind of go crazy on the travel size things, but they're just so cute. First of all, this is gonna be like my body cream for the time we're there. Little cute little deodorant. I can't hold on to anything right now. Skincare, body hair. This is cute little face wash that I got at Target, and this is a cute little body wash I got at Target. And then we have oral care, of course, travel size toothpaste, floss, and then these are cute because they come with the little toothbrush covers as well, which I really appreciate. And then I have these two like pink toiletry / makeup bags. So I'm gonna just pack these really quickly. I don't even know how I'm gonna scoop this inside here. This might not be the right color for my skin tone. It looks a little pale on me, and I typically like warmer blushes because I have like, literally look at that color. I just Hello, I'm currently working on my presentation. I actually finished packing a little bit ago, and then I also checked into my flight, so feeling very on top of things, with the exception of the fact that my presentation is like still very much in the making. So I'm gonna work on that, and then I'm gonna edit this vlog, shower, and by then honestly it'll be pretty close to going to the airport, so maybe I'll take a quick nap. But I'm so excited and I can't wait to share my time in Atlanta with you guys. I don't think I told you where I was going. I'm going to Atlanta. I'm actually going to talk about this in like far more detail in my next vlog because it's the actual conference vlog, but till then, ta-ta! This is what I'm thinking for like my opening slide. I also have my thesis open because that's where I'm getting